Hello everybody, this is Mubashir here, and today I want to introduce a new gaming PC. I This PC is actually work for so many purposes like freelancing, gaming, or CSE student. CSE student means computer science student. Anyone can use this PC. First of all, we use a casing. Its casing name is Icebar Gaming Casing. Icebar Gaming Casing. This casing have 7 RGB lights. This casing price is 5,700 taka, and then we use a Ryzen 7 570Z CPU. This CPU actually we use these CPUs because we have no graphics card. We don't need to add graphics card right now. That's why we use Ryzen 5007G, and then we use a motherboard. We use a motherboard Asus Top Game. We try to build a PC with full RGB. That's why we need all components in RGB, like two RAMs are RGB and the CPU cooler are RGB. The total cost of this PC is 70,000 taka. We tried to build a under 80,000. Now we can see our gaming PC, how does gaming PC saw in night. Now we can see how the gaming PC work in night. Off kar de. I think the PC is monster. We can do anything what we want to do. That's it. The total cost of this PC is 70,000 taka with HP monitor, with HP 21.5 inch monitor, and we don't have any accessories like keyboard, mouse, and headphone, webcam. So that's why I think the total cost is around 75,000. That's it. And I think if you want to build a PC, dream PC like 80,000 rupee, this PC is very beautiful. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon in the next video.